Do you have a room available?
Yes, we have single and double rooms available.
How much is one night?
It is $50 per night.
Can I see the room first?
Yes, of course. Please follow me.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Can I have a room with a window?
Yes, we can arrange that.
What time is check-in?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m.
What time is check-out?
Check-out is at 12 p.m.
Can I extend my stay?
Yes, you can.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is also accepted.
Can I have an extra pillow?
Yes, we will bring it to your room.
Can I have some water?
Sure, we will send it right away.
Can you clean my room?
Yes, housekeeping will come soon.
The Wi-Fi is not working.
We will check it immediately.
Can I get a blanket?
Of course, we will bring it to you.
Is there hot water in the shower?
Yes, there is 24-hour hot water.
Can you fix the air conditioner?
Yes, the technician will come soon.
Can I order food in my room?
Yes, you can order from the room service menu.
Where is the TV remote?
It is on the table near the bed.
Can I get a wake-up call at 6 a.m.?
Yes, we will call you at 6 a.m.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, it is on the first floor.
What time does the restaurant open?
It opens at 7 a.m.
Can I have the menu, please?
Yes, here is the menu.
Do you serve vegetarian food?
Yes, we have vegetarian dishes.
How much is the lunch buffet?
It is $15 per person.
Can I get tea or coffee?
Yes, we serve both.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, it is open 24 hours.
Do you have a swimming pool?
Yes, it is on the rooftop.
Is there a taxi service?
Yes, we can call a taxi for you.
Can you show me the way to the elevator?
Yes, it is just around the corner.